I don't know where to go.
What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today, as you can already tell, we're going to be watching some more instant karma, instant justice moments. Also, thank you very much for the support. I love you all, and now without any further ado, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, let's get this party started. And it sounds like we're starting with a lot of power. And that officer is like, damn, that sounds good, but I gotta pull him over. Well, I mean, the intent is definitely there to pull him over, but actually pulling him over is gonna be difficult. Because that V8 motor is already gone. Oh, what do we have here? The 5-0 lurking in the shadows on a motorcycle. Ha! Drop that from your hands. Stop playing with it. The phone, I mean, of course, what else would it be? But anyways, on to the next one. Oh, here we have a Merc who is eager to go full power, but the NPCs in traffic are slowing him down, and he's finally free power. Unleash all of those angry German horses from under the hood. The police is probably not impressed. This is too much speed and power for them to handle, but we'll see. Where are they? Looks like the bros are lagging. Oh, there they are. Looks like they have a bad connection. Bro almost changed the time zone until they showed up. And it's also great to see that the Dashcam crew car is very amused by what they see. And this guy here is like, I'm speed, baby, you're never gonna catch me alive, coppers. See ya in Spain, lads.
That was mildly
This is gonna be a wild one, for sure. Oh, hello there, Beetle. And right beside it we have a Prius. What can go wrong, really? And of course, right after I said that, the Range Rover has entered the chat and ran a red light. Whoa, what the Bush doing? Bro is playing the prop hunt. He's the genius at work. This is how you bypass the heavy traffic. But unfortunately the Popo saw him. And apparently that camo life hack doesn't work on police very well. And that rate is like, I bought a whole speedometer and I'm gonna use it. And the 5-0 is like,
Are you sure about that?
well, he was firm on the accelerator, to say the least, but he didn't go too crazy. I mean, that's an R8, who wouldn't? Let's be honest here for a minute. But it is what it is. You guys told me that the Australian police is very strict. They don't like this stuff at all. And in this case, this guy drives an R8, so he'll be fine. He'll be just fine. If you know what I mean, of course. Hello there. Please step out of your vehicle. You're being pulled over for being a dingleberry. Some people are unbelievable. They will try anything to... Whoa. What is going on here? This is what happens when a bunch of driving geniuses come together. Dearie me. Pull over now, all of you. This is a dingleberry patrol. All dingleberries must be removed from the streets. Where did you buy your license? Where? Tell me, I wanna buy one too. Actually, I think they didn't even buy it, because they would be driving much better if they did. They just found it somewhere random. But anyways, let's see here. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's always the little car. It's always the small one. The police is not happy, and I wouldn't be either. But in any case, let's move on. Oh, this is the one where the cop pulls over the cop. This is entertaining. Friendly fire will not be tolerated. The chance of this happening in my country is less than zero. Literally less than zero. You have much better chance of seeing the alien dancing in the middle of the street than the cop pulling over a cop in my country. That's how bad it is. But now seriously, the entitlement is real around here. Look at this dude, pathetic.
Orlando PD taking off from a traffic stop.
When he's speeding, that's okay, it's not a big deal, he has a good reason for it. But when you are speeding, that's not okay, and he will gladly write you a ticket. It's ridiculous. And I'm not gonna go into details, but don't worry guys, he got what he deserves. Trust me. And also, please let me know in the comments what are the chances of cop pulling over a cop in your country. I would like to know that. And here's another dingleberry.
What are you doing?
In a Prius, and the guy who is trying to overtake everybody on a hard shoulder. Oh, hello there, officer. Pull over that Prius, right now. Oh, that officer is not happy. For sure.
You almost hit me.
He's ready to deliver some karma. Oh, hi there, good old BMW. BMW exists, the police. Oh my days, fam. It's much better to pull them over before they do stuff. The BMW stuff, you know what I mean. Whoa, 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 cyclist. What the hell is wrong with you? They want to be respected on the road and then they do this. He's probably now like, ha, got him. What a bunch of fools. And the eagle-eyed police is on the case. Sup, bro? License and registration, please. Oh, I forgot you're on a bike. You don't have any of that. Boom, roasted. And if that guy disappeared for some reason, the average IQ on this planet would go up. He went through a red right in front of a cop. That's the next level stuff. 900 IQ play right there. Whoa, take it easy, little guy. You see, it's always the little car. It's always that one. Judging how amused the Dashcam guy is, he got pulled over. Just like this guy here. And I believe in this case it's for speeding. Or maybe the police just doesn't like him much. That could be the case too. Oh, this is an unmarked one. The biggest fear of every lawbreaker in this world. What did the bro do? Oh, I know, he didn't press the like button on this video, so that's why he got pulled over. It's a criminal offense if you don't do that. Oh, what happened here? Whoa, 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 bro is playing the chicken with the police. That's brave. Very brave indeed. Whoa, whoa. Now this is awkward. Sir, you just go ahead and pull over for me, please. Being a dingleberry is not allowed here, so you're getting a ticket. But don't worry, I'll be quick. It's almost the end of my shift. That will cost you 10 donuts. Oh, welcome to the GTA. This is a very interesting getaway vehicle, not gonna lie. Let's see how far he'll get. That's not too far. As expected. Moving on. What is this guy doing? Oh, it's one of those again. These people are getting out of hand, I'll tell you that. Bro! Bro! The cop was right there. What the hell? That man took stupidity to another level. He took it to the brand new level unknown to humanity. That was amazing. Amazing. Simply lovely. And here goes another one of those. And another one. And some say they're still going. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's episode of Instant Karma in action. And if you did and you want to see more of these, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for the support. That's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. Just don't do it in front of the 5-0. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.